Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech and Life. In this video we are going to discuss about this show me structure. And previous video, if you remember, we discussed about creating this map. So if you hover on this map, you are getting the information regarding category, state and profit. But in this video we are going to discuss about different maps which we can create using this show me tab. So let's start creating this one using the new sheet and click on show me. So if you observe here, this one is the default text table. We don't need any type of specifications to create this one, because if you drag and drop this, the thing which will be created. So but if you observe remaining thing, if you observe like this heat map, highlighted tables, pie chart, maps, side by side bars or horizontal bars, etc., etc., every individual map in this show me tab will have individual requirements. For example, I want to create this heat map. The requirements of heat map are one or more dimensions. We need to choose one or two measures only, maximum two measures, not more than two. So then only we can create this heat map. Let's start creating this heat map. Previously, while creating this map in previous video, we have one geolocation dimension. It's a mandatory thing. But while creating this heat map, we are not having that requirement. Only one or more dimensions or one or two measures. Let's do one thing. Based on the region, I want to select the profit. So click on region and drag and drop to rows and make it as some expansion like states, so that it will be somewhat clear representation. Then I want to create one measure, right? Zero or sorry, one or two measures. So I want to add discount to this one and also profit again. So two representations, two measures I used, and two dimensions I used. Now if you observe here in the show me tab, this heat map got highlighted. So click on this heat map. So if you observe here, some representation was there. So if you uncheck this one, you will get the information what it's showing. So it's showing the heat map, this color representation based on the sum of profits. But do one thing, remove this discount, because it's not somewhat accurate to for representation. So drag and drop this region back so that only state is available, and use this state in the form of columns. And also do one thing, drag and drop here. So it's not good looking, so I want to add it back. And based on the your requirement, somewhat it's not good looking, but some heat map was created. But if you follow the same rules, that one or more dimensions, I will add few more dimensions like category. I added category. Then one more thing, I will add one more measure here, that is let me select profit ratio. So I'm adding profit ratio to this one. So some sort of heat map was created like this. So if you observe, you need to select that one, because if based on the other categories, the data will be categorized according to the requirement of other graphs. So when you click on this one, so if by default it selected this side by side graphs or this horizontal bars, but I need a heat map. So click on this heat map, so it will create like this. So this is the procedure of creating any sort of heat map using show me tab, so that in that show me tab you will have requirements to all the graphs available in Tableau, so that you can select the required tab, you can select the required graph. Then based on the requirements, then you need to drag and drop the information, then you can click on that specific graph which you want to create, and it will be generated like this. So if you observe, with respect to this heat map, some few more things are also highlighted. For example, this tree map, click on this tree map. Yes, it's creating. So it's ready because based on the requirements of heat map and also tree map, few things are relatable because one or more dimensions and one or two measures are the same requirements for this tree map and also to this heat map. So whenever you are using the same kind of representation, the related charts also will be highlighted in the show me tab. Then you need to verify so that you can create a better graph. If you want to create a bubble chart like this, packed bubbles, click on this packed bubbles and the data will be representing like this. If you want to change the color scheme, click on this one. So edit colors, so you can change the color format like this. So maximum and minimum you can change the colors, and if you want to change the colors for maximum to this color, minimum and maximum you can change the colors and click on apply, click on OK. So data will be representing like this. So this is the way we need to understand show me tab. I think you understand the video. Share the video to your friends and family and ask them to subscribe to my channel Tech and Life, and thanks for your support.